What is up, guys? Cadence CJHQ here, and today we're reacting to When Bikers Fight Back, Crazy Biker Moments, episode 16. So, let's hop straight into this. If you guys haven't yet already, make sure to subscribe. 95% of you guys watching this aren't subscribed, and make sure to check out the original video down in the comments. So, we have added significant original commentary to enhance and viewer. All contents provided are meant for educational. Do not try and recreate. Yes, sir.
Hello bikers, and welcome back to another episode. In this episode, you'll be learning how to behave on the road and deal with reckless drivers. Enjoy!
Damn, bro stayed up straight. This, Darren, probably Karen, is claiming that he has the right to run over the... Goddamn, people are goddamn crazy when it comes to motorcyclists. It's like, bro, it ain't that deep. Man's a short man. Oh, man's an old man too.
Street racing with a sports car. He did the classic mistake of looking back at high speed and ended up smashing into a truck at 200 kilometers per hour. Bikers, we never encourage street racing. Stay safe.
The driver would become the hero in the story. Pardon me, looking back at high speeds. Oh, no. No, the bike. Yeah, no. Gear is so goddamn important. Dashcam footage. Bros probably like send me. Bro just starts driving off like nothing happened. Oh, coolant. That is all.
I hope so.
Everybody.
Oh, God. Do you have a fire extinguisher or anything? You got me, bro. You got me. Congratulations.
You okay?
Not really, but...
Jesus, bro, I'm glad you're alright. What's that?
These two drivers almost had a crash. They ended up having a road rage and told the biker to park so they can get the footage from his GoPro. This is why investing in a GoPro or a dash cam is a no-brainer.
He's like, let me get the footage, motherfucker.
Did you get that on your camera? Did you see what she was doing?
Yeah.
Okay, can we go around the corner so she can call the police? Because I was just going to go. Okay, thank you very much.
Can we go around the corner? You know, give me a little flower.
Come on.
Oh look, it's the exact same place that a police officer came.
This driver passed the cyclist and almost hit him. The biker approached him and a road rage unfolded.
Who are you honking at? Was that at me?
No.
Was that at me?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Why did you?
No.
I'm allowed to be in the road. I was off to. I was in the path.
No.
Why are you? Why did you honk at me?
Oh my god, go.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
When
Salty
this rider was
seat.
riding in the forest, he noticed a weird man destroying
Homeless
homeless
camps are
people's
being
tents
destroyed
and
behind.
throwing their stuff
Customize with
Huh.
AI to fit any
Not homeless people. They contribute to society.
He decided to approach him and see what he's doing. This crazy man was acting very weird. He started threatening him. Look at how the biker dealt with him and learn how to stay safe.
I want to get close to him playing like I can't hear him. Makes sense.
Is that yours?
Guy is showing red flags right away.
What?
What's up?
Is that yours?
The tent?
Yeah.
Why?
Camera? What, am I being filmed?
Yeah, man, it's First Amendment activity, brother.
Is this your tent?
Why do you want? Why? Why?
Are you an independent journalist?
Sure am. Gathering information for a story. What are you doing back here? Why do you want to know if that's my tent?
Yeah, for real, that's kind of fucked
Huh?
up.
We're gonna have a stare contest?
Round one, fight!
Hey, see you tonight, bro.
You gonna see me tonight?
Yeah, I'll see you later.
What's that threat?
Round
Why tonight? Why not right now?
What's that?
Why not right now?
What's going on?
Back the f up.
Good.
Back the f up. Yeah, I said back the f up. I'm gonna defend myself. Back the f up. You ain't even in good enough shape to be threatening people, dude.
What the hell was this guy thinking? Good job. Yeah.
Is that right?
I think that's right. Is that your truck? You gonna see me tonight, huh? I can't wait. I'll be waiting, buddy. What are you gonna do to me tonight? Got it on camera, said you're gonna see me tonight. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do to me tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing? But out there you said you were. You said, I'll see you tonight. So what are you gonna do?
I'm not man enough, bro.
You're not man enough.
Oh.
So you're threatening people, huh? Oh, what was that? Do something. Shut the f up. Walk away. Do what you're told. Walk away.
Look how this biker became a hero by saving.
Okay, I'll be right back. Gotta go away with my plate.
this lady's day. Bikers, make sure to help others when
Shakes
you can.
his head. No. No. Wait. Oh, I was like,
Dead. Damn, you try to push start it?
I've been trying since up there.
Fuck. Where are you going? Cause I say maybe I can like, I don't even know. Do you got somebody to come help? Nobody?
I didn't want to make her feel uncomfortable, so I turned off my GoPro. I almost got it to the start on the first push start and thought, wait, just turn my GoPro back on for the content. Well, I wish I kept it on. Yeah. Bro's goated. He's like the content. The content.
Go ahead, brother. Go, 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 go. All right, ready? Here, hold the clutch and get on. I don't know if it's a neutral or not.
Dude, that is the most clapped bike I've ever seen.
Just made these kids' day by making them rev his bike. The kid even asked to ride it. But of course, he's too young.
Can you rev one? Yeah, you can. Do you want to sit up on it?
Turns it into first gear as he's revving.
Make sure it's not in gear. That's to start it there now.
This river.
No, that side's Trev.
I was bouncing off it.
It's cool. And then the red one there to turn it off.
Can I try it?
Yeah, go on, let him try.
I can do this.
Yeah? Am I the kid?
No driver.
Oh, no, you can't drive it. Are you able?
Yeah.
No, I can't let you anyway. Yeah, in case you crash.
This biker ran through this guy, which seems to be going through some sort of mental therapy. He was destroying stuff, breaking stuff, and acting very weird. We really hope he gets better soon.
Bro's definitely on some stuff.
On Fiverr, you'll find the top experienced UGC creators that can create content for your brand using pretty much every video.
This is a skateboard product. This is a piece of pallet wood. I shattered the pallet wood on the block, and now this is the sidewalk. The sidewalk is like just drag it to make it safe. Like that side is now round. Here's some video.
This stupid lamb almost killed a biker. Gladly, due to the biker's quick response, he avoided a fatal crash.
Bro. I would slow the hell down after that for a little bit.
This driver decided to pull out of the gas station without looking, which almost resulted in a fatal crash.
Ooh.
Gladly, the biker was able to avoid it. Cyclists need to be more aware. This one right here was dragging his biker in the middle of the road without looking.
Goddamn, people be
This
stupid.
biker was stopped at the traffic light when he noticed this driver trying to push him out of his lane and overtake him. Of course, the biker didn't let him do that. The driver was ready to hurt the biker over this, so the biker smashed his mirror and ran away.
It has to be like on a 250 or something.
Thanks to this biker's fast reflexes, he avoided a fatal crash.
Wonder if that's miles per hour or kilometers. Is that a dog? I don't even know what that is.
Watch how this lady almost injured the biker by moving into his lane.
Brother, you gotta look. You gotta look. Yeah, no, she almost hit this guy. This biker almost just got hit.
Looks like this biker lost balance and ended up falling off his bike.
Aww.
Oh!
Oh no!
Dude, that had to hurt. Oh. Poor doggo and poor bike.
This biker almost got hit by a pickup truck that moved into his lane without looking. Gladly, the driver apologized and was cool about it.
I'm right behind you.
I wanna talk to him. You're all good. You're all good. You're all good.
Yes, sir. It should be like, oh, I'm sorry.
He's cool.
This pizza delivery driver almost had a terrible crash when he was passing the vehicle in front of him. Bikers, make sure to look carefully before passing. This biker was waiting for traffic when he got rear-ended by a driver. His passenger ended up banging her head on the car. Gladly, she was wearing a helmet. This is why we always say that wearing full gear is essential.
Dude, that is wild.
Pa da li si ti normalan, bre? Pa šta, gde gledaš, ne kontam, bre? Si dobro bjegao?
Što udariš
Last time I checked, driving instructors were supposed to be experts on the road. Did that change? Looks like it did.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, for real.
Sorry. Sorry, bro. Let's go.
Oh,
I'm okay. Are you okay? Holy
dude.
fuck, dude. Are you okay, bro? Woo, yeah, I'm okay. Woo-wee.
Bro saved it, thankfully.
There's a alligator lizard right there. What up, little bud? Here you go, little bud. Little alligator lizard. Oh, he's biting me. He's pissed off. He was out on the road. He got hit. Lost the end of his tail. See you, little bud. My good day of the day.
This driver was trying to push the biker out of his lane, not caring about the biker's life. Bikers, in situations like this, it's not worth fighting, as you can put your life at risk.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to go check out Moto Extreme as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.